What's inside my Longchamp bag? Sanrio Kuromi edition. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you what's inside my Longchamp bag, Sanrio Kuromi edition. So today is the first day of December. Have you started shopping for your Christmas presents already? I have your two recommendations for you. So if you love genuine leather products, you may try Treasure Purse. Specializes in creating genuine leather products that are very well crafted and a very affordable luxury alternative to the high-end brands. Their products are very luxurious. You may want to try it. A perfect gift for this Christmas for those who love genuine leather products. I have a code below. Please use my code BAGLOVE to avail of a discount. Save more while doing your shopping, Christmas shopping for gifts. In case you're vegan, I have here Sin Bono. They're high-end, very luxurious vegan bags. Their bags are made from apple peels and also from recycled plastic bottles. Very eco-friendly, very sustainable. And I also have a code for you below to avail of a discount from their website. Save more. My discount code is higher from the website, so you may want to use that to save more and be able to buy gifts for your families and friends. So this December, I have upcoming giveaway. Please do watch out for it. Please do wait for it. I'm still waiting for the items to arrive, so I'll be announcing it in a couple of weeks. Please do watch for it, and I really hope you all participate in that very fun giveaway, very beautiful giveaway for this December 2023. So now let's start. I have here, this is my mini figure. This is a cake topper that I have bought. I'll just link it below in case you're interested in getting. I was able to buy a My Melody. My Melody one rotates her head, but this one does not. So I really wish this one also rotates her head so that it will be easier for me to possess. So this is my bag. This is Longchamp tote bag, the Le Pliage in mini. The color is Bilberry. This is my first ever Longchamp bag. My favorite bag. This is, even though it's just small, it fits a lot. The color is very lovely. It looks very beautiful. Bilberry. Like a dark purple. And this bag is what started me from collecting bags. So here I have placed a keychain, Kuromi keychain. Now let's open. That's what's inside my bag. So first, I have here my Kuromi pouch. Acts like mini pochette. This is from the company Q Uncle. This is made from silicone. You can easily wipe it clean. So inside my mini pochette, Kuromi mini pochette, I have here my perfume. This is Body Bath Works Sweet Pea, my favorite perfume or cologne. I have here new Tic Tacs, spearmint flavor. And I have here panty liner. So this is my mirror, Kuromi mirror. You can see the glitters. Looks really nice. And it does have a mirror, pocket mirror. And I have here, this is from the Sugar Dolls brand. So this is the Gloss Boss in the color diamond. Then I have my Kuromi comb, foldable comb. Then this is a foldable scissors, very handy. Of course, my chopstick. This is a mental stick for headaches and insect bites. So that's inside my mini pochette, Kuromi mini pochette. Then I have here my key holder, Kuromi key holder. It houses two of my keys. I can also use this to hook on the outside of my bag. Very cute. Then I have here, this is Kuromi coin purse, mini pouch from Q Uncle. I can use this as a coin purse, wallet, mini catch-all. And now I have here, this is my earbuds for Android phones. And I have here, so this is another Kuromi pouch. I think this is supposed to be for watches, for jewelries, but I just have here some of my other essentials, mini wipes and tissue. Very cute. Then I have here my phone case. And I have here Mr. Beast chocolate bar. Feastables, Mr. Beast. This is a gift from my sister and I'm happy to try it in milk chocolate. And still have a few more things. This is just a simple pouch. And I have here my Anclutes. This is from Lux Organics Anclutes, a charcoal oil absorbing blotting paper for oily skin. And it has a mirror on the other side. Very handy. And then I also have some of my Medallion of my Angel, Saint Raphael, of course, emergency medicines, and my pin. So in a small pouch. I have a new sunglasses in color tea. It's very luxurious to me. It has some rhinestones on the side. Looks nice. And a few more things. I have here my wallet. This was a gift from my sister. The design is very cute. You can see. And card wallet. And then I have, of course, a pen. So the last thing inside my bag is this one. This is a new discovery. CZ, the British Museum. Look at the design. Looks very high-end. The design looks very artistic. I really love the design. It caught my eye. Like an angel cupid. This is a powder. So on the inside is just this one. And that is, I haven't really opened it yet. And they said this CZ powder is waterproof. So for oily face, I would be happy to try this one. You will not get oily face within the day, so I'll be happy to try it. So those are the things inside my bag. No more. Just have my care card right here. Okay. So these are what's inside my Longchamp tote bag, Sanrio Kuromi edition. This very cute finds, this very cute essentials that are fun kawaii Kuromi. And I forgot to show you, I have here my Kuromi charm. I'll also link it below. I found it in one of the stores. Very cheap, but very cute and kawaii. Fun kawaii find, Kuromi. So please do watch out for my upcoming giveaway. I'll be posting it in upcoming weeks. Please do watch out for it. Please, I really hope you all join in this very beautiful giveaway. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags, affordable luxury bag alternatives that are simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.